Pakistan is a young country. Full stop. The 2017 population census showed that 40% of our population was under 15 years of age, and another 19% between 15 and 24. Full stop. Almost 60% of the population, therefore, was under 24 years of age. Full stop. This country should be for young people. It should work to ensure that the youth, the future of this country get every opportunity to develop. Full stop. But our fear of young people and their potential makes us want to control them. Full stop. Dr. Adil and I were the lead authors of the 2017 National Human Development Report for Pakistan, which was on youth. Full stop. As part of the data collection for the report, and among other things, we also did a nationally representative youth perception survey. Full stop. Some of the facts that came up in the survey were very revealing. Full stop. For instance, 94% of the surveyed youth said they had no access to a library, 93% said they had no access to sports facilities, 97% had never heard a live music concert, 97% had never been to a cinema, 94% had never been to watch a sports event, 60% said they played sports infrequently, and 85% said they had no access to the internet. Full stop. I saw a report on a youth survey conducted recently by the Pakistan Institute of Development Economics, and the numbers quoted there, in terms of youth having access to entertainment and other healthy activities, were very similar. Full stop. Paragraph. But the country is that youth development is a national priority, as we want to benefit from the dividend of this demographic gold mine is, a high number of youth. Full stop. We want them to get technical education so that they can be gainfully employed and can be exported as labor to other countries if possible. Full stop. We want them to be computer literate so that we can increase our software and IT based exports. Full stop. We want them to be entrepreneurs and risk takers so that they can be job creators rather than job seekers. Full stop. But we are not willing to give them space for debate and discussion. Full stop. We do not want to empower them, allow them the freedom to think and act, and we definitely do not want them to be political. Full stop.